In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio on Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to enhance a presentation with background music, a voice introduction, or a sound effect to emphasize a point, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently. We'll start by getting your audio into the right place. Google Slides only lets you insert audio that lives in Google Drive, not directly from your computer. So first, open Google Drive in your browser. Click the New button, choose File Upload, and select the audio file you want to use. MP3 or WAV files work best here. Give the upload a moment to finish. Larger files may take a bit longer. Once it's in Drive, it's ready to be used inside your presentation. Next, switch over to your Google Slides presentation and open the slide where you want the audio to play. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Audio. A panel will open that shows files from your drive. Locate the audio you just uploaded, select it, and confirm. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That icon represents your audio. You can drag it to a convenient spot so it doesn't cover important content, and you can resize it if you want it more visible or more discreet. Now let's fine-tune how the audio behaves. Click the speaker icon to select it, then open Format Options, which brings up a sidebar of controls. Here, you can choose whether the audio plays on click or starts automatically when the slide appears. Play on click is useful when you want control during a live talk. Automatically is great for a self-running or timed presentation. You can adjust the volume to balance the sound with your speaking voice or the room you'll present in. If you want the audio to repeat, turn on loop. If the sound should end when you move to the next slide, enable the option to stop audio when the slide changes. These settings help you match the audio behavior to the type of presentation you're giving. And remember, the speaker icon can be moved or resized anywhere on the slide to keep your layout clean. A few key reminders before we wrap up. Upload your audio to Drive first. Use supported formats like MP3 or WAV, and note that you can't record audio directly inside Google Slides. That's it. With your file in Drive, insert it into the slide, and settings adjusted, your presentation will sound polished and engaging.